The statements in the following podcast have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. The products that we talk about on this podcast are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Individual effects may vary among products. If you have an existing medical condition, please consult your doctor prior to use. No two supplements are made equal. Since supplements come from different sources, even those designed to provide the same nutrients may have entirely different benefits. This is especially true with protein supplements because there are so many different sources. One of the most popular sources of protein is whey. Whey is a milk product that forms as a result of the curdling process. It's essentially the part that's left over after the milk has turned to curds. Whey is made during the production of cheese but isn't actually used. With the recent shift towards vegan and vegetarian diets, plant-based proteins have also become a popular choice. These proteins come from a variety of sources, but the most common ones are peas, soy, hemp, and rice. While there are arguments for both sides, plant protein has many benefits that whey protein does not. Each of these protein sources attracts a different crowd and thus helps shape your brand differently. Whey is an excellent source of protein, but it doesn't come without its own problems. It's a lactose-based supplement since it comes from milk, so it won't work for lactose-intolerant people. It can also cause digestive issues, which can lead to flatulence and diarrhea. While these aren't side effects that everybody will experience, they are potential risks for anybody who uses whey protein on a regular basis. Your body absorbs whey protein differently than plant protein. Plant-based products are the easiest thing for our body to absorb, so plant-based protein is easily absorbed by just about anyone. Dairy, on the other hand, doesn't absorb as well and can cause digestive issues in some people. Whey protein can only be digested at a rate of 10 grams per hour unless you supplement it with digestive enzymes. Since whey protein powder is dairy-based and it's not vegan, plant protein, on the other hand, is vegan. This opens up two entirely new markets: vegans and people who simply prefer plant-based foods. When it comes to manufacturing, whey protein and plant protein are somewhat similar. Since whey is simply a byproduct of making cheese, there isn't an incredible amount of waste from making whey protein supplements. Plant-based supplements are also relatively sustainable to manufacture since it simply involves breaking down plants or vegetables. The real debate when it comes to plant protein versus whey protein is livestock. The only way to make whey protein is with milk, so there will be dairy farm involved in the process at some point. So what's the problem? This type of agriculture takes a heavy toll on our resources and causes pollution. Cows produce a lot of manure and require a lot of food and land, so having dairy farms with 10,000 cows can greatly affect our ecosystem. This can also be a large concern among a vegan crowd and is one of the top reasons people choose a vegan diet in the first place. One benefit to whey protein is the number of different flavors you can find it in. Since it's a more common form of protein, it comes in a wide variety of flavors, from chocolate and vanilla to more unique flavors like key lime pie and salted caramel. At the end of the day, this is a relatively minor concern. Many people opt for plant-based protein because it's cleaner, and the flavors used in whey protein are often artificial. Because whey protein has been the dominant choice for years and years, it's generally easier to find at lower prices. You can go to just about any store and find whey protein supplement for a reasonable price. Consumers often make the switch to plant-based protein after a considerable amount of research, so it's more of a specialty product than whey protein. Both plant protein and whey protein have their benefits for branding, so it's up to you to choose what's right for your brand. Keep in mind that since each type of protein attracts a different customer base, you'll have to adjust your marketing plan accordingly. If you want to learn a little bit more, please read our blog article all about it online at our website at ionlabs.com. And by all means, please like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube page to make sure that you stay updated on all of our brand new podcasts and videos that we release. As always, I'm Max, and thank you for listening to the Ion Labs podcast.